one person told that basically, sorry, this is basically next part of the Kanipur. So one person told that like this also things are there basically. Mumbai basically is proud city basically. They have not given the building basically, sorry, not given flat to Sunil Nair. That is different thing basically. But Mumbai has done their task basically. Whatever it is basically, they have not given the flat, and on this way basically they have created this 15 lakh liter basically. That means in the future basically Sunil Nair basically is fired from that 15 lakh oil basically. So here one person told that basically, like this way also basically, people creates the future basically. People basically creates the future. So one person basically told that Sunil basically, I basically exist in the future. So you can connect to those group basically who are into the human need creation. Just connect to that person and ask them basically, अरे भाई ये लड़का basically और लड़की basically, this girl or this boy basically exists in the future basically. So they told them, let me see basically, because he will check. How basically he is going to check? He is going to check like this. He have basically 1 lakh natural process, that is the human need creation process. He is going to check the energies basically. Energies of total building basically used. Like this basically, the that person basically exists or not exists. From this basically it's easy to track basically. So he told that basically yes, basically somewhere basically exists, and in some human needs basically does not exist. So which data exists and which data basically does not exist, that is also basically the data conditions basically. That's also basically the AI basically, that is the artificial intelligence, which say basically which data is supposed to be taken and which data basically is not supposed to be taken basically. Which data is supposed to be taken and which data basically is not supposed to be taken. So next video.